Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session about the Computer Shiksha Magic Box. With the help of this video, we will learn about the CS Magic Box, understand how to unpack the packed box, how to get the Magic Box started, how to put the batteries in the remote, etc. Let us begin by seeing how the Magic Box looks like. And then, one by one, let us learn the procedures to use it. Now, you can see the CS Magic Box in the video. Computer Shiksha course videos have been preloaded in this Magic Box. By using this Magic Box, the students can watch the videos and learn about the components and functions of computers. And in future, they would be able to use them also. The thought behind launching the CS Magic Box was that wherever there are very limited computer resources, or even where there are no such resources, this Magic Box will help students to at least get to know about computers. For instance, you can take the example of watching a 2-hour movie. You remember all the scenes and also the sequence of the actions that happened. One of the thoughts for the Magic Box was also that by using it, the students could at least know about things like how to open a file, how to draw in an MS Paint file, etc. Let us first see how you need to unpack the box. You will receive the Magic Box in such a packed box, and as you can see in the video, you need to take out the Magic Box as is being shown. You will find a package in this box which will have the CS Magic Box, a remote, 2 battery cells, stand with its screws, and a help manual. As shown in the video, use a screwdriver to fit the stand onto the Magic Box and tighten the screws. Once the stand gets fixed, you can keep the Magic Box on a flat surface or on the tabletop. So that the Magic Box is easily visible to the students, you can mount this Magic Box on the wall also. How to fix the clamps for wall mounting is also shown in this video, and show that the CS Magic Box is kept away from the children. Next, you need to put the battery cells in the remote, for which you need to open the cover on the back of the remote. Look for the positive and negative signs in the remote and put the batteries correctly. Then, as shown in the video, you need to put the cover back on the battery compartment. Now, you will need to power on the Magic Box, for which please plug the power cord into an electrical plug. When you power on the Magic Box, you will see the Computer Shiksha Magic Box logo on the screen. Usually, it takes time. First, a red light becomes visible, and then after a few seconds, the logo gets displayed on the screen. Next, a home window gets displayed on the screen, which has various options: photo, music, movie, text. You should select the movie and press the enter button on the remote. You will see 2 options on the screen: return and the second for C drive. Use the right arrow key on the remote to get to the C drive option and press enter. On doing so, you will see options for Paint 1, Writer 1, Writer 2, Calc 1 and Impress 1. These are the modules of the Computer Shiksha basic course. We are not using MS Office here and will be learning by using OpenOffice. Both of these are very similar, but MS Office is chargeable while OpenOffice is free software. Note that you need to run the modules in a sequence. First is Paint 1, then Writer 1, Writer 2, Impress, which is presentations, and then Spreadsheet 1. Also note that each module has 12 videos and that these videos can be used by students of any grade or by anyone else wanting to learn about computers. After completing each module, you need to contact CS and ask for the relevant exam papers. This ensures that the successful students will also receive their certificates. Here, we can use the arrow keys on the remote to go to Paint 1, press the Enter button, and open by selecting. Then you can go to class 1, class 2, and so on till class 12 to complete this module. At the end of each module, get in touch with Computer Shiksha through WhatsApp call or message to ask for the examination papers. This will help you ensure that all the successful students get the certificates for the completed module. For now, let us select any one video from here and play the same. You can forward, backward, or play and pause the video using the remote. The exit button allows you to go back. In this way, you can easily control the CS MagicBox. While running the CS MagicBox classes, you can get help from the help manual, which also tells you that according to your need, you can pause the video to allow the students to discuss what they have learned. Whenever questions are asked in the video, you should pause the video so that the students can discuss answers to these questions. For any help that you may need, or if you want to inquire about something, you can call our numbers 73031 38840, 73031 38840, or send us a WhatsApp message. You can also email us at magicboxhelp@computershiksha.org to send us your queries. The email ID is magicboxhelp@computershiksha.org. We hope that you make the best use of the CS MagicBox. Thank you.